on his account. Where were you paying the money just before that time? So that you needed to get his account again. After 4 years, where were you paying the money, not in his account?
My Lord, when he was elected Parliament, he went on secondment.
You deleted his account.
He was no longer receiving. My Lord was no longer receiving salary from the Defence Forces. He was being paid by Parliament. It is the Uganda People's Defence Forces, open bracket, conditions of service, close bracket, open bracket, officers, close bracket, regulations, Statutory Instrument 307-2.
Consent to my learned friend from the respondent side. I've agreed there is no more first respondent, second and third. There is now one respondent who is the Attorney General.